We all love a barbecue, but if your food gets stuck to the plate or falls through the grill causing a spill, then you'll love Kleva Cook Mat from Flavour range, the non-stick gourmet grill mat that keeps your grill clean and mess-free. Sear succulent steaks just like a pro. Cook chicken in the marinade sauce without it falling through the gaps. Barbecue almost anything, all the while keeping that incredible flavour without sticking or slipping. The secret is in the safe and flexible PFOA and BPA-free non-stick surface that retains the heat and keeps it even, so food and liquid stays above the grill, keeping it clean. Flat plates can stick and burn, and if your barbecue only has a grill, Kleva Cook Mat gives you the ultimate non-stick gourmet flat plate that easily fits almost any size barbecue, all the while keeping the grill lines. Savour the flavour of barbecue pancakes, cook eggs and bacon, or juicy cheeseburgers without the mess. Sticky melted cheese, wipe straight off. Forget scrubbing and scouring. Kleva Cook Mat cleans easy, just pop it in the dishwasher.
I love how clean my barbecue is. The sauce doesn't go onto the grill plate, the small vegetables and the onion rings don't fall through.
I love barbecuing, and this mat just makes it so much easier.